6, I think it is. Who else count? This side's finished up, and I'm still working on body work for this side. About touching up. Going to be going to paint soon. They went in to paint the side skirt of the rocker. I'm working on taking the bumper off, and I'm going to fit in the new front grille and the brake scoops. That's what I'm working on today. All right, let's see how quick it takes me to get pissed off installing this. I broke one clip taking it out. Taking the stock one out.
Okay, supplement in on that one. I'm going to turn it to supplement. Maybe I'll fix or something today.
Oh my God, is this going in so easily? Wow. No, one more. Spoke too soon. Son of a bitch.
So your foot should be here today.
Yeah, I gotta go up to Topeka for that, huh?
No, your
Oh,
Amazon.
your Amazon ones?
Yeah, they should be here today. Like I broke down and ordered a fucking computer for my boat last night.
Oh? Like a fish finder or just...
No, ECU for my motor.
Oh. Oh, did you come undone up here?
Evidently, they got like 3 different versions of my engine, and I have the VMAX, VX, which is the hot rod version.
Right. Couple extra ponies?
Well,
Or is it...
it's timing curve, fuel maps, and stuff are a little different to make it faster.
Yeah. Out of the hole?
Yeah, out of the hole and have better top end. So they no longer make the computer, and I only found one guy on eBay selling the actual 66K computer. Everybody else had the saltwater version, or which everybody said when they put the other versions in, they lost like 10 miles an hour. I'm like, fuck that. So, I'm like, if you could get a new one, they're $1,700. Found a guy had one on eBay for $480 with coils and plug wires. It all mounts on the same bracket.
Yeah.
And it had the right part number on it. I'm like, well, fuck it. I go, if that ends up not being my problem, I at least have a spare that they don't make anymore. Then I ordered an auto meter temp gauge that I'm gonna figure out how to put on there so I actually have a temperature gauge and not an overheat alarm.
Alright, gonna add the brake duct in. The other side was a pain in the ass. I'm sure this one's gonna be a pain in the ass as well.
The first one is just what I heard.
Kind of opens just in. Miss a spot.
How much does it cost for an entire car?
For what? Yes, you need to talk to Jake about that. Because he is the, I mean, just guesstimate. Probably
Small.
Just a trigger, right? Double trigger.
Yeah, it's a double trigger. The first trigger is going to be air. The second trigger is going to be material. So basically what I'm doing is I'm blending this base out. Right there, right? Clear all the way up here. So I'm blending the paint. If I spray this all the way up to there and I clear all the way up to there, you're going to see that line where the two colors contrast.
Levels.
Yeah.
If it doesn't spray,
Turn that fan on.